everybody, and welcome back to week 2 of Mad Science. It's Miss Kelly.
And Connor.
Okay, so today we're getting a little bit slimy and we're making something called oobleck. Let's get started. You just need a couple ingredients for your experiment today. The first being cornstarch, a measuring cup with some water. Now we added some food coloring to our water, but that is optional. You'll also need a bowl and a spoon or a spatula. Okay, so what makes oobleck special is that it's not quite a liquid and not quite a solid. It's what's called a non-Newtonian fluid, and on the next side you'll see a definition of what that is. Okay, so let's get started mixing up our oobleck. The first thing that we're going to do is add some water to a bowl. Now we're going to start with about a cup of water in our bowl. And again, we already added our food coloring to our water, and we chose green because what holiday is coming up, Connor? Halloween. Okay, so now that we have our water in the bowl, we're going to start adding our cornstarch in. Now we're going to keep adding a little by little until we get a goopy, slimy mixture. Okay, so once you have your goopy, slimy mixture in your bowl, you're ready to play with it and make some observations about oobleck and non-Newtonian fluids. So the first thing that you might notice is how pressure affects your oobleck. So if we take our spoon and we try and apply quick pressure to the top, you'll notice that your spoon can't go through. Your oobleck is acting like a solid. Now here's why that works. Now because oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid, adding pressure to the top with our spoon forces the cornstarch particles together, so they're going to act like a solid. Right, and if we go slow, you'll notice that the opposite will happen. So if I use my spoon to force through the top really fast, I can't go through. But if we go really slowly, our spoon can go through. Now when we move slowly, we give the cornstarch particles more time to move apart so they can act more like a liquid. Therefore, our spoon can go back up to the top and back down to the bottom when we move slowly. Okay, so your oobleck, once you're finished playing with it, will probably only last about a day. Now, you have two options for how you would like to get rid of your oobleck. The first is that you can let it sit out and dry overnight, and then you can just chip out the pieces and throw them away in the trash in the morning. The other option is to rinse the bowl out, but you want to use a lot of hot water so that way you dilute the solution and it can easily go down the drain. On the next few slides, you'll see some more information about oobleck and also some other activities that you can try. Okay, Mad Scientists, we hope you had fun making oobleck with us this week. We'll see you next week. Bye!